Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best robot toys is probably one of the most exciting categories in the toy market right now. For kids aged 8 to 12, these aren't just playthings, they're gateways to understanding technology, sparking creativity, and developing problem-solving skills. From programmable robots to interactive companions, the options are vast, offering something for every young innovator eager to explore the world of robotics. Number 5. Sillbird 12-in-1 Solar Robot Building Kit. Looking for a gift that grows with your child? This STEM solar robot kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays. It offers screen-free fun and celebrates their achievements. This educational toy brings science to life. The DIY building experience sparks curiosity in engineering and renewable energy. It also nurtures problem-solving skills. Enjoy outdoor play with solar power or use a strong artificial light source indoors. This encourages kids to explore renewable energy while having fun. It features a large sun-catching surface for stronger power output. Kids will discover renewable energy principles through play with this fun educational toy. With 190 parts, they can build 12 models, from robots to cars. The varying difficulty levels allow it to grow with their skills. Each robot sparks their creativity. The kit comes with clear, step-by-step instructions. Kids can build their own robots independently or with family, enjoying quality time together. What we like. This solar robot kit is a fantastic choice for kids who love to build and learn about renewable energy. It's powered by the sun, offering a unique and engaging play experience. If you're looking for a toy that combines fun with education and encourages outdoor play, this is a great option. It's perfect for sparking curiosity in engineering and renewable energy. What people say. This kit has a lot of potential with 12 robot designs and a solar-powered feature that's meant to be educational and fun. The variety is great, and it's definitely a creative STEM activity for kids. Probably a good entry for building like Lego and robot science project. Number 4. KingsDragon RC Robot, Gesture and Sensing. This amazing robot is perfect for kids. It's packed with features and ready to provide hours of fun. It's a great gift for any child. You can control it with a remote or by using hand gestures. The robot can turn, move forward and backward based on your commands. The eyes light up with bright blue LEDs. The robot can remember up to 50 actions. You can program it to do different moves, like turning, walking, and even dancing. It will repeat the movements you create. Made with non-toxic ABS plastic, this robot is safe for kids. It has flexible joints and sturdy wheels for all sorts of movements. It's built to last and provide endless fun. The robot has built-in batteries and charges via USB. A quick 2-hour charge gives you about an hour of playtime. It saves you money on batteries. This versatile robot dances, sings, and talks. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or any special occasion. Kids will love it, and it will bring joy to the whole family. What we like. This robot is all about interactive fun with its gesture control feature. It responds to your hand movements, making playtime incredibly engaging. If you like the idea of a robot that can be programmed to perform various actions and offers long playtime, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who enjoy a hands-on, interactive experience. What people say. Easy to use and works exactly as expected. My child loves the programmable gestures and remote control. Charges well and easy to use. Number 3. RC Robot with LED Eyes, Best Gift for Kids, Blue. Looking for the perfect gift? This RC robot is an excellent choice. It's designed to bring joy and entertainment to children of all ages. This robot is more than just a toy, it's a companion. It can sing, dance, walk, and even moonwalk, providing endless hours of interactive fun. Control it with the included remote or use gesture sensing. This robot offers multiple ways to play, making it engaging and easy to use. Program up to 50 actions. Watch as it repeats the movements you've programmed, showcasing its impressive capabilities. It's a great tool for teaching kids about robotics, science, and technology. It helps develop their creativity and problem-solving skills in a fun way. What we like. This RC robot is a great choice for kids who love to interact with their toys. It offers both infrared and gesture control, allowing for versatile play. If you are looking for a toy that can sing, dance, and perform various actions, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy interactive and engaging play. What people say. It's well designed, sturdy and a fun toy that doesn't get boring after 5 minutes of play. The sensor that makes the robot go forward and backward with hand gestures works well and the robot responds pretty quickly. It's fun to watch it sing, dance, and move with gestures. My child really enjoys programming simple actions and using the controller to explore its functions. The LED eyes and voice commands make it even more interactive. Number 2. LED RC Robot Toy, 12-inch interactive robot for kids. This amazing robot is designed for kids and offers hours of fun. It features LED lights and wireless control, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. The remote control allows it to walk, talk, dance, and sing. It can even shoot discs and read stories. The remote uses AA batteries, and the robot is rechargeable. This interactive robot teaches kids with stories, songs, and math quizzes. It blends learning with play to spark creativity and curiosity in children. Watch your child interact with the talking robot. It fosters learning through fun activities and enhances imagination while engaging kids in educational play. Standing at 12 inches tall, this robot has a built-in rechargeable battery. You get up to 1.5 hours of playtime after just 80 minutes of charging via USB. What we like. This robot is designed to entertain and educate with its talking and dancing features. It includes stories, songs, and even math quizzes, making learning fun. If you're looking for a toy that combines entertainment with education and offers extended playtime, consider this. It's perfect for kids who enjoy learning through play. What people say. This remote-controlled robot is amazing. It does need to charge for some time before you can activate it, though. Once charged, it will record your voice, call out math problems, recite from books, toss out foam discs from its head and walk, forwards and backwards. Fun, fun, fun. Number 1. SEMOUR RC Robot Toy, fun and interactive gift for kids. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This smart robot toy is perfect for kids aged 5 to 7. It dances, sings, walks, and tells stories, providing hours of entertainment. Control this RC robot with simple hand gestures or the included remote. The robot responds to your movements, going forward, backward, and turning with ease. You can also explore more functions with the remote. Get creative and program the robot to perform sequences of actions. It will remember your commands and play back your designed actions. This helps kids develop their imagination and creativity. The robot is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery. Simply plug it into a USB charging port for about 2 hours, and it's ready for 60 minutes of playtime. The robot comes with a detachable launcher and shield, along with 3 bullets. It's ideal for family games and role-playing, providing interactive fun for everyone. What we like. This robot is all about interactive fun with its gesture control feature. It responds to your hand movements, making playtime incredibly engaging. If you like the idea of a robot that can be programmed to perform various actions and offers long playtime, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who enjoy a hands-on, interactive experience. What people say. It does alphabets and other cool things. It is well built for play and easy to operate. The sound quality is good. Tres su sensor para detenerlo o llamarlo a que continue la caminata. El producto está muy bien y es educativo motores para los peques y se divierten mucho con los gestos para que el robot avance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.